Hello there, welcome to Star Wars Things, where today we've got another unboxing video for you. Kind of a part 2, actually, of a video I did just last week, as I ordered both this Mando Skiff Guard helmet from Return of the Jedi and the Leia Bausch helmet on May the 4th. They both showed up. Really only had time to film one video that day, so put this one off until now. So here we are, and I am happy. This is probably the #1 helmet that I've been wanting them to make for a long time. Of course, I was thinking, Black Series would eventually get around to it, or at least hoping. But this is actually from the parks. So kind of the same line as like the Legacy Edition helmets or lightsabers, that kind of stuff. So you get it Doc Ondars. So yeah, pretty happy that this is a thing, because I have been wanting this to be a thing for a very long time. Let's get this out of here. All right, got this cardboard part protecting the face mask. Get into the opening of this bag. So set this box aside and get into the actual helmet first, and then we'll take a look at the stand that is inside the box. All right, so there we are. Let's take a closer look at some of these details here. You know what? That's nice. So this is all plastic, but we've got the leather-looking part with even, I don't know if you can really see the stitching detail on there. Pretty nice touch. The visor does look like a hammered metal. Nice detailing on that. Got these little rivets. Bolts there. No, this, for being plastic, this looks pretty good. The face mask here is, I guess, also plastic. It kind of feels like a really hard rubber. There's a little bit of, there is some flex there. So I would assume that's kind of a hard rubber. And that does adjust there, so you can do the Lando thing where he peeks his eyes through. Let's get a full shot there. That's nice. Nice paint job. Nice weathering. Details look pretty darn good. That does kind of, other than maybe the sheen doesn't quite look like leather, but the stitching and the detail, pretty darn good, honestly. There's something that, with 120. Set that there, get into, in the box here we have the components for the stand. That so we can open these. All right, so this is the part that will pop into this little stick here. And then we've got the actual base. And this does have, there we go, Jabba's little tattoo there. I know there's a name for his crest. I unfortunately do not know that. Somebody ask Alex from Star Wars and explain. He'll be able to tell you what that is. So this then clicks into there. And you'll hear a substantial click. And then this is the part that the helmet will actually stand on. Again, you'll hear a good click. Pop this on there. Try to get that even. All right. And there we are. We have Lando's Skiff Guard helmet. Return of the Jedi. And I dig it. I hope you dig it as well. Thanks for watching. We'd love a like and a subscribe. And may the Force be with you always.